So in this class, what we learn today? We will learn about cone. Okay. So in your previous classes, all of you have already learned about some figures, some shapes like rectangle, triangle, circle, etc. As there were some shape, cone is like one of the shapes. All of you have eaten jhalmuri. Like all of you think that I am a jhalmuri wala and I sell jhalmuri. So the jhalmuri wala gives you jhalmuri in this figure or in this shape. It's a cone. It's a cone. All of you have eaten ice cream. All of you eat ice cream daily. So ice cream, one of the best thing is cone ice cream. The cone ice cream also have a shape like that. It's also a cone. It's also a cone. So the basic of cone, and if I say you the properties of cone, all of you have to remember when a corner begins. Basically, a point when they addition them or they mix them, they make a corner. They make a corner. So if you think or if you see the cone, the figure is on this shape. There is just one point where the other points have meet. Okay. So that's why the cone has just one corner. The cone has just a one corner. Do you think is it other corner? No. So how? So the cone has just only one corner. The cone has just only one corner. I hope all of you have understood. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So we have understood that why the cone has just only one corner. Why the cone has just only one corner. If you think or if I see you the book, the Math Avenue book, can you say me the book has how much corner? 4. So why 4? Because there are 2 points have written here. There are 2 points have made here. There are 2 points have made here. There are 2 points have made here. So that's why the book has 4 corners. The book has 4 corners. But the cone has just only 1 corner. If I say you, can you see show me the age of this book? You can say the book has number 1 age, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. So the book has 6 age. So in the term of cone, if you focus here, do you see? Can you say me? Tabassum, stand. Can you say me, Amnu? The cone has age. How much age? The cone has just only 1 age. Why? As it is have 1 corner, it is only 1 age because if we saw the book, there are 6 terms of place. But in the term of cone, there are just 1 term of place. So that's why the cone has just only 1 age. Only 1 age. Okay, sit. Nafisa, stand. Can you say me the surface of this cone? Can you say loudly? So Nafisa has told a cone has a flat surface and a curved surface. So sit. Thank you. So what's the meaning of curved and what's the meaning of plane? If we see a surface which is round or which is not plane, we call it curved surface. We call it curved surface. So the curved surface of this cone is here. The curved surface of this cone is here. So in the term of plane surface, which is the noun? The surface which is the noun is called plane surface. It's called plane surface. Say again, the round surface is curved surface. The round surface is
Curved surface.
the surface of this place is plane surface. The surface is
Plane
plane
surface.
surface. The round surface is
Curved surface.
The surface of this is
Plane
plane surface. So the cone has two types of surface. One is curved surface, one is plane surface. Okay. Sadia's friend, can you say me about the cone and edge of this corner and cone? Corner and edge of this cone.
It has only one edge and one corner.
So Sadia has told the cone has only one edge and one corner. Mashallah. See Tammu? So what we have learned? We have learned the basics. Curve means round, plane means it will be plane, and the basic you have to know that the corner of the cone can't be 0 degree, can't be 0 degree. It can be anything. It can be anything, but it can't be 0 degree. Okay, so what we have learned? We have learned the properties of the cone. The properties of the cone. Now I will remember that. Then I will ask from all of you, each and every one. Okay. So I told you the cone has a plane surface. The cone has a plane surface. The cone has a curved surface. It has only one corner. It has only one edge. This is the properties of the cone. So Nafisa, stand. Can you say me the properties of the cone?
Cone has a plane surface and curved surface. It has only one corner, one edge and one corner.
Mashallah. See. The Sadia stand. The cone has a plane surface and curved surface. Then it has only one edge and one corner. Mashallah. See Ammu. Tasneem, stand. Ammu, say me the properties of the cone.
A cone has a plane surface and a
Curved surface.
surface.
It
Has one
has
edge
edge and
one
corner. Mashallah. See, so all of you have told me the properties of the cone. In the coming exam of first terminal, must be given the properties of the cone. In the exam, what you have to do? You have to just draw the cone with the pencil and write the properties in your 3 lines. What does they say, everyone? Everyone say with me. A cone has a plane surface and a curved surface. It has